Hello, it's Nick, and today I want to show you how to create text styles in Figma. First, we need to create a typography scale, and I will use the Typescales plugin for that. We will need to choose a base size. Base size is a font size that will be used for our body text. If we are designing for web, it's recommended to go with 16 pixels. And we need to set a scale multiplier. The default value is 125, and it works well for the web. Click Generate. Select all text layers, the tool generated for us, and press Command X to copy them. Press Command V to paste them. Select all text layers and add an auto layout. Change the background color to white and add horizontal and vertical paddings. Now let's rename text layers starting with the body text, which is 16 pixels. Let's define headings. H3 will be the first element above the body, H2 will be above the H3, and finally H1 above the H2. Let's also add a smaller text that we can use for captions. Delete all other text styles since we don't need them. Now let's create a bold version of the text layers. Select all 5 layers and click Command D. We've just duplicated all our text layers. Now we can modify text properties. Change font weight from regular to bold. New text layers have the same names as original layers, so we need to rename them. Select all bold text layers, open the contextual menu and choose Rename. You can use bulk rename for them. Type H $N bold. $N will be converted to the number. Click Rename. We need to change the name for the bolder version of body and caption. Now we can turn our layers into text styles. Select the text layer, for example H1, and in the right panel click on a 4-dot icon. Click plus and give it a name, H1. Click Create Style. We just created our new text style. If we click Properties for this style, we will see that it uses all text styling of the original text layer. Font family, font size and line spacing. Let's create another style, this time for the body text. And quick note, 2 numbers that you can see for the text style are the font size and line height. It's time to test our design. Type a sample text. You can see that by default it uses body text styling. Let's change it to H1. And now H1 styling is applied to this text. If you want to create text styles faster, you can use a plugin for that. Just be sure to delete all your local text styles before using the plugin, because it can conflict with the local text styles. Select the frame with the text layers and run a style generator. Once you run Generate Text Styles, the plugin will generate the styles for you. As you can see, the plugin generated 10 styles for us. Let's try to use the styles. Type Test and click 4-dot icon for the text layer. Choose H1 style, the style applied for the text layer. Now let's copy the text layer and change the style to H2 bold. That's all. Let me know what you think about this approach in the comments. Thank you.